Right, I think many of us, perhaps most of us, would identify as developers. So I got to wondering, what's the collective noun for developers? Yeah, someone far wittier than I disagree with that. What I want to talk about today is a celebration of developers. So back in the early 70s, there was a singer by the name of Helen Reddy, and she had a string of hits. And one day she'd been playing around with early Unix code, version 2 or 3 I think, and she started wondering about the people who created it. This is a true story, by the way. Sensation needed. And so she decided she wanted to write a song about these amazing people. And this is the first 2 lines of the song. I am a developer, hear me roar. And the chorus goes like this, and it's quite lovely. Oh yes, I am wise, but it's wisdom born of pain. Yes, I've paid the price, but look how much I've gained. If I have to, I can do anything. I am strong, I am invincible, I am developer. And it was a big hit. It was on YouTube. So, a number of years later, another commentator was no less eloquent. So what is it about developers that so excites Helen Reddy and Steve Ballmer and their Well, let's take a look at some of the characteristics of typical developers. I'm not a sysadmin, but I can install an OS on a bare machine. I can hack a mail config. I can patch bash. I'm not a DBA, but I can run explain on a query, add the missing index. I can write a schema in 3rd normal form. I'm not a web designer, but I can write HTML by hand and get CSS to do what I want. I'm not a computer scientist, but I know that n log n is probably okay, and n squared probably is. You'd use a heap if you can. And there's a Wikipedia article on red batteries. I'm not a hardware engineer, but I know that you need more RAM. I can add more RAM. Replace a disk as well. I'm not a systems programmer, but I can use both a Perl select core. I'm not a support staffer. I'm not a security expert, but I know that cross anything is bad. So are injections. SQL needs to be parameterized. I can set up SSL certificates and SSH tunnels. I'm not a network engineer, but I know there's 7 layers on that OSI ladder. I'm not a miracle worker. Oh yeah, hold on. I said, don't rush me. Thanks very much.